Hey y'all, welcome back to Olinsi Traveling. Today we're rolling into Billings, Montana, checking out the Town Pump Travel Center, a pilot licensed location. This one's big, busy, and loaded with services. Let's take a walk around and see what makes it stand out. First thing, parking. This place has a huge lot, plenty of spaces for rigs, reefers, and a few oversized RVs. Lines are marked clearly, and the layout feels more open than most town pump stops I've been to. You've got easy pull-throughs, and enough room to maneuver even if you're rolling in late. Noise-wise, it's what you expect, reefers humming, trucks idling, but there's space to spread out if you want a quieter corner. Now for anyone hauling loads that need scaling, there's a certified CAT scale station right here on site. It's easy to access, sitting right near the exit lane so you don't have to loop around the lot. That's a big plus when you're trying to get in and out fast, or double check your axle weights before hitting the road. They've kept it in good shape, lines are visible, and the scale pad's clean, which makes a difference when you're rolling heavy. Right nearby, you've got a Domino's pizza for a quick bite, and Jin's Buffet, a Chinese restaurant with plenty of fresh options, if you're craving something hot after a long haul. Both are just steps away from the lot, super convenient for drivers. Let's take a walk around the parking area. You'll see fuel islands well maintained, trash bins regularly emptied, and even space for bobtails. Lighting is solid, plenty bright for safety but not blinding. There's also a bit of green space, near the edge of the lot, good for stretching your legs or walking your dog. You'll notice a few signs about local Montana attractions, which add a nice touch. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. Alright, let's go a little closer to the fuel islands, and see what they've got going on here. Looks like plenty of lanes, wide enough for big rigs, and you can tell they planned the layout for easy pull-ins and exits. They've got high-flow diesel pumps on both sides, def right at the island, and regular gas pumps off to the side for cars and RVs. What I like here is the visibility, nice open space, well lit, no tight corners or blind spots. Town Pump keeps things clean, trash bins aren't overflowing, windshield squeakies are stocked, that's rare these days. Fuel prices stay pretty reasonable for Montana, and if you're using your pilot card, you'll still rack up points just like anywhere else in the network. Overall, it's a smooth in and out, not one of those spots where you've got to squeeze, and pray to not clip a mirror. Now right next door, you've got a little casino, pretty common with these town pump stops around Montana. Nothing huge, but it's got a few slot machines, cold drinks, and that old school local vibe. Some drivers like to stretch their legs in there after a long haul, grab a soda, maybe spin a few if they're feeling lucky. I don't gamble much myself, but it's a nice option if you're laying over for the night, and want something different from just sitting in the cab. Now over on the other side, you've got the fuel island for cars and smaller vehicles. It's separated nicely from the truck lanes, so you're not fighting for space with the four-wheelers. They've got plenty of regular and diesel pumps, and it moves quick, no long lines most of the time. If you're driving an RV, or a pickup with a trailer, there's enough room to swing through without too much stress. Always nice when a stop's designed smart like that, keeps everyone moving and a little less grumpy. Inside, it's clean, bright, and really well stocked. You've got everything from snacks and cold drinks to gloves, logbooks, and some solid Montana merch. The staff here keeps the place organized, and the aisles don't feel cluttered, even during busy hours. If you've been on the road for a few days, this stop's got that reset vibe, just feels comfortable. Showers here, clean and roomy, they've got plenty of them, so you're not waiting around too long. Laundry area's solid too, newer machines and plenty of counter space. This stop's set up for drivers, who actually live on the road. Overall, Billings Town Pump earns its place as one of the better large stops out west. You've got huge parking, clean amenities, good food choices, and even a casino if you're feeling lucky. A little noisy near the fuel islands, but that's part of the game. If you're rolling through Montana, this one's worth a fuel up or an overnight break. That's it for today's stop. If you enjoyed the walk around, hit that like and subscribe for more tours on Olinsi traveling. See you down the road.